Hello all. In this session I will be showing you how to generate this sketch using AutoCAD. For that what I'll do, I'll just take this vertical axis, then a horizontal. I'll start with these bigger circles. One is of 85 diameter and one more is of 68 and 50. So let me go with the AutoCAD tool. I'll turn off the grid. Turn the grid off, then I simply let me fix the units first. Units, because there it is in millimeters, let me fix it to millimeters. Set Z and re-enter. It will fit it to the screen. Then I start with an axis line, keep F8 on, ortho on. Let me go with some 200 mm scale. Now I'll just try to move this line on the top. Okay, now this acts as an axis line now. Then our horizontal should be there. 85 radius I need to draw first. Take a circle. Somewhere I'll draw a radius of 85, nothing but 42.5. One circle created, and another circle is of 68, upon which there are multiple circles of 8 dia. 68. So circle with the same center. 68 I need to draw. 33, 34. 34 brand. Okay, now on this there is an array. Let me draw the array first. A circle of diameter 6 holes. Circle of diameter 8 with 6 holes. Let me drop a circle here. Diameter 8 means 4 is the radius. Then I use array ARR is the command array of select object, enter, polar, this as the center. We want an 8 number, 8 or 6. Let me check again. 6 holes, sorry. Let me keep it in 6 only. Done. Okay. Now this circle is not a continuous circle. Now this circle, let me keep that circle. Others, load. I'll try to keep it as a dash line. Select, go with this dash line. Okay, and let me change the color also so that it will be understandable, as if it look like a 2H line. Alright, now again after this, internally there is one more circle of 50 diameter. Let me draw this circle. Go to the circle circumference will get 25. Now this is done. After this there is one more with the same center. 70 radius is there, 90 radius is there. 70 and 90 radiuses, and it is maintaining an angle of 45 degrees. Okay, both the sides. Simply what I'll try to do, I will just draw a vertical line by keeping F8 on. A vertical line of what distance? Some infinite distance. Let me take up to some infinite distance. Then I rotate this line to an angle of, here it is given 45 degrees by holding this point to 45. This is one. I'll hold it and sorry, I need to move this M, enter, hold this point, and let me check where to connect. I need to connect to the center. Connect with the center. Alright, now you can take any extension. Now I just select this mirror with respect to vertical. Done. No, got it. Because why I have created this means this will help you out. If you want, you can extend also. Extension can be done this way. F8 off. I'll try to keep F8 off, and this is the line. Enter, enter again. I can use EX double enter. Only to extend this line I'm using that option. Okay. Unwanted things are these things that I can easily remove. Now this will help me to draw these curves easily. Okay. Why radiuses are given. One is maintaining radius of 70, one is 90. So here in AutoCAD we have options here with the arc. There are many options: start, center, end, start, end, radius. Okay, I'll take this as center, this start, and this is end. Oh, sorry, this will not work out. Start, end, radius. Okay, start, end, center for continuous time. Simply I'll take a circle from here, circle of 70, and concentrically circle of 90. Done. Simply I have created one circle is 90, one is 70 radius. Okay. Unwanted things, let me erase. What are unwanted means here TR double enter. These are unwanted. Done. Then look at the sketch again. This curve is completed, outer one. This internal curve is also done. Here there is a circle. This circle, okay, which is of uh, 20 radius. That circle I'll try to draw first. Take a circle at this point, a circle of 20 radius. Similarly, I can redraw, or I can mirror also. Anything is fine. That is also done. So two circles are completed, then followed by a fillet is there, and internally there is one more circle here. Centrally one more circle of same radius. I just go with this circle again of 20. Done. But is it 20 or not? It is matching actually. This circle diameter is not given. Okay, fine. This circle diameter is different, which is 3 holes of 22 dia. 3 holes of 20. This will not exist now. 3 holes of 22 dia. So I'll go with this. 22 means what? 11 is the radius. Again I'll repeat here one more. 11. Again I'll repeat here one more. I'm not selecting the circle all the time or entering the command directly. I'm using enter button from keyboard simply. Okay, here unwanted things I'll remove. Before that, I just try to make a fillet between. I go with this and I do 8 is the radius of fillet. So in between these two, this one radius of 8, enter this one in between. I can mirror also, but I repeat the task so that you understand better. This one radius of 8, enter between these two. Complete. Okay. Now what are unwanted things? This circle is not a complete circle, so remove unwanted things. TR double enter. This thing is not required. This thing and simply you can, or you can drag also. Anything is fine. So finally we got the sketch. This is how the sketch look like. This is how the sketch look like. TR double enter. Unwanted things, if you want, you can still remove. And I can keep this line, this axis lines, and this line into some format so that it look good, and keep it in some color. Only the sketch will look better. Okay. And for other than this, you can add colors to this. So make it habit of coloring different features with different colors so that layers will be understood properly. Now I'll go with the colors. Let me change it blue color. And if you want, you can increase the thickness of the line also. That you can do by displaying it. A window will pop up, display line weight. This is how it looks like. Alright, this is all for the session, and if you have any queries related to this exercise or AutoCAD, you can comment in the box given below. Thank you.